Today we're making French toast, but instead of the egg mixture, we're gonna use vanilla ice cream. Gotta butter up our pan. Do it nice and good. Make sure you turn that on. Now what we're gonna do is put the bread inside the mixture. Just make sure it's nice and coated and it soaks it up real good. Now once it's soaked up good, the buttered pan, we're gonna just add that in there. Crank up the heat a little bit. And this will make a delicious breakfast. Now we can leave that in there to soak a little more. In between steps, got a lot on your hands, just rinse. Make sure before you start, you wash your hands. My hands were already nice and clean. Just make sure you flip it on each side and make sure when this is soaking that any excess you could always pour on the pan. And this, I like my French toast with syrup. Just make sure you keep flipping it so it cooks on each side. Our second one is in the pan and you can hear that sizzle now. Look at that. It'll need to be done a little bit on the other side again. And give it a nice flip again. Falls apart, no worries. Now what we need to do is just let it sit a little bit on each side so it browns on the bottom. There you go. Looking delicious. And when it is finished, I will let you know. Be right back. It's all done. Look at this. Delicious. Now we got our maple syrup. Let's test this. Put it on. Yummy, yummy. So let's see how this tastes. It has like a caramely taste to it. It is very good. I would recommend trying it. All it is melted vanilla ice cream. Thank you guys for watching. And stay tuned for more recipes. See you later.